In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate Facebook but keep using Messenger, so let's jump into it. So once you've logged onto Facebook, what you need to do is go to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner and then go to settings in the top right. Here you'll be in settings and privacy. From here you need to go to Meta Accounts Center, which should be at the top. Click on that, and then if you scroll down a little bit you'll see personal details. You can go ahead and click on that. Then it will show you some info about yourself, but you want to go to account ownership and control. Once you've done that, click on deactivation or deletion. It will then show you all the accounts you've got logged in. Choose the one that you want to delete or deactivate. I'm going to click on John Smith. Then we can choose if we want to deactivate or delete. If you want to keep Facebook Messenger, then you need to choose deactivate profile. You can read more about it here, but it says you'll be able to continue using this profile's messenger. Click continue. Then re-enter in your password here, and then your account will be deactivated, but your messenger will still be active.